In today's video, I will be showing you how to insert a drop cap in Microsoft Word. This is especially useful if, let's say, you're working on a novel or an article, or even some of you have seen this in a newspaper, okay? Where you have one letter that has covered several lines. And you might be asking yourself, how do you do this? So simply come and highlight the specific letter that you want to add a drop cap to. Once you select it, just head over to the Insert tab. Once you click on Insert, just head over to the text group section right over here and select Drop Cap. On selecting Drop Cap, you can either choose this first option right here, as you can see, or this option in margin, okay? So for the dropped one, it will drop it over several lines, okay? For the in margin, it will push the specific letter out of the paragraph, okay, to the margin, all right? So it will basically take the letter you have highlighted and push it to the margin. And if you want more options, you can just come and click Drop Cap Options. Once you click on it, you can now come and choose the position that you want, all right? This one or in margin, and you can even come and choose the font of the drop cap, okay? So if it is, you can just come and select one of them. You can also select the number of lines in which you want your drop cap to drop, okay? So you can select 5. Distance from text. What distance do you want between the drop cap and your text? Again, you can come and specify that here. Let me put, and you can, after you are done with everything, just select OK, and you're done. All right, and that is simply how you add a drop cap in Microsoft Word. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like, and please make sure to subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching, and good luck.